Hi guys, so welcome to another episode in the YouTube Studio mobile series. Today we'll be uploading a custom thumbnail to our video using the YT Studio app. That's the YouTube Studio app. So I will be using my Android phone, but you can also apply the same rules to an iPhone. So let's get started. First, we will launch Thumbnail Maker. We'll then select Ready-Made Template and then select Thumbnail for YouTube. Once we've done that, we will then select a template to use. I'll be selecting from a new template range where I conveniently found an upload thumbnail template. I'm replacing the image with my own custom image, so I'll delete that. And then I'll find my emoji on my phone and select that, and then just resize it so that it fits and looks good. And then I'm just going to tweak the wording slightly just to show you that you can do that. So there you go, your thumbnail is complete. You can download and save it by clicking on the button in the top right hand corner of your screen. You are now ready to upload your custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. You need to launch YT Studio, select videos, find the video you want to update, click on it, click on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner, click on the pencil icon where your thumbnail should be, and click on the change icon on the left hand side of your screen. You can upload your custom thumbnail. Once you've done that, you click on select, then you click the save button on the edit video screen, and then voila, it's all complete and you have your lovely new custom thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you think it will help somebody else, please feel free to share it out. Hit that like button, leave a genuine and meaningful comment in relation to what you've watched, whether it's good or bad. And if you're not subscribed, hit that circle subscribe button and join the VAO 11 family. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.